Tell us a little bit about your business and what you do.
Yeah, for sure. I'm doing customer education. I'm building educational materials for how to use a white label software. That's my business, and I'm using a specific software right now, building videos, knowledge bases, articles, and all the stuff that my client can use so that their customers will keep on using the software.
Okay, so that's what you do in your agency, and tell us a little bit about how your life was before you started coaching with me and working with me.
Yeah, for sure. Like I can say it's very chaotic before I met you. Um, I had a funnel agency before. I offered done for you services like copywriting, ads, emails, um, funnels. I have like 3 employees. I'm selling my own course. I'm even selling the software itself as my own. So I have multiple businesses, but the reality is I'm not really making money. I'm negative with cash flow. I'm drowning in debts. My marriage is almost in the edge of breaking. My kids are just behaving really bad because they want to get my attention, but they cannot get it. And financially, we're just, I thought I cannot recover. Combine that with multiple series of debts. I thought I'm really broken before I met you.
Yeah, yeah, I remember. I mean, your mother had passed away, and then a brother had passed away, and you're trying to figure things out, get your business going, and there was a lot of chaos and a lot of challenges going on. So, really, you were in the pressure cooker. It wasn't fun. So, yeah, and you've made huge strides. So, what's your life like now? How are things going now?
Well, it's really transformative. I can say like I don't feel chaos anymore right now. So first, I've let go of all of those businesses, and you helped me get clear on what am I really good at, what I want to do in the future, and then dialing in my ideal avatar. So once I did that, I started. I changed everything in my marketing, in my sales process. I got that client who's paying me 4 times than my last one. I think it's 5 times than my last one, and I'm only working 4 hours a day. I'm only working like 6 hours sometimes if I'm really enjoying what I do, and just the time's just passing by. And then, like, since I only work 4 hours a day, I spend more time with the kids. I spend more time with myself. I work on with my morning and evening routine, like my physical life. Like I'm working on my diet, on my exercise, and just eventually, like it just happened that my financial also from zero, from being broke, burnt, drowning in debt. Now I'm surviving and thriving as well. The amount that I'm earning right now is just enough for us to survive, but at the same time, we can also buy some of the things that we want. And we started paying off all the debts that we have, and just getting clarity on what's the next right thing to do in every aspect of my life. Really, that for me, that's the most important thing of working with you.
And you mentioned your future and having clarity on your future. So, what are you looking forward to in your future?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just starting out, like even I've worked with you for the past 9 months. I just feel that I'm just starting out. I want to be the best in customer education, in product education for this software. Like when you say, I'm looking for someone who can help me create trainings for my white label go high level software, and my name will always pop up. That's the type of expertise in this space that I want to have. I'm looking forward to do that over the next 3 to 5 years. And even, like once the kids have grown up, I can have my own, I can really, like, build this as a full blown business. I can maybe, just maybe, build that kind of university, an online university where I'm teaching this to Filipinos so that they can learn this for free. And then they will learn this skill, they will get paid, and just kind of build that kind of impact. So I'm really looking forward, not just 3 to 5 years, but over the next 10 years. And what I'm doing right now is just preparation for me to do that. Because if I continue to do this year by year by year, and just compound, and I'm gonna be the best in this space.
Yeah, and with an online university, you'll be alongside Mind Valley, making an impact, and also not sacrificing yourself or your family for your business. So fantastic. Yeah, and who do you think should work with me?
First of all, it should be the dads, like parents, parents, and then that's the first one. The second one is like that those, I don't know that's the right word for this, but like I think people should work with you are like married people, like they put importance on marriage, like on their wife, on their husband, and put importance on the kids. Like family is important than business. That's the first thing that I think should work with you. Second is those with agencies, like they are agency, or probably they have multiple businesses like me as well, and struggling to grow their businesses, and maybe find out what's they're really good at, and then choose that one business, and then just focus on that over the next 12 months. So for me, that's either agency owner. Most of the time, agencies are the ones who's really chaotic, and then small businesses, um, entrepreneurs, like someone selling online. Those are the type that really fit to who can you help with.
Hmm. Well, you took everything that I gave you and put it into action, and that's critical. Like when you take action on something and you get results and you can see the evidence, then you know what direction to go in. And so, yeah, getting clarity and focus isn't fun, as you know, but you
Yeah.
did it and you took the steps, and now you can look back and realize what you've accomplished, where you're going, and feel good about that, and you've done it. So and you're doing it, so now you have a lot more control over your circumstances, and you can have better health, better relationships, and a business that will fuel and fund all of that. So really proud of you. So
Thank you so
amazing.
much, Dan. Yeah, I'm always saying to my wife, if I haven't met you and Natalie, I don't know where I am right now. That's serious. Like, I don't know where I am right now. I might be crazy, like literally crazy.
Yeah, yeah, but you're not, and you got a huge future ahead of you. So awesome. All right, well, thank you very much for taking the time out today to provide some feedback, and looking forward to seeing your future and greater successes for you.
Thanks so much, Dan.